Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Netmirror on iPhone and on Android. So this is very helpful if you're not sure where to find the app or how to install it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps on iOS, but the process is the same on Android too. So first, open the App Store on your iPhone. So if you're using Android, you could open the Google Play Store instead. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in Netmirror. And then after that, tap on search. You'll see the Netmirror app appear in the results. So go ahead and tap on it and then get back on iPhone. And then tap on get on iPhone. So on Android, you would tap install. So it's basically the same step. Find Netmirror, then get or install depending on your device. Now, just wait for it to finish downloading. And once it's done downloading, the button will change and you'll be able to open the app. And when it's ready, tap open to launch Netmirror. And that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.